So if you clicked on the link for this video, you're new to martial arts or maybe new to karate and you want to learn the core kicks that you should know. Well, in today's video, we're going to give you guys just that. We're going to help you guys with the 5 core kicks that I think everybody who's new to karate or maybe even kickboxing should have. So as you can see, I'm here in my fighting stance, and so what I want to do is I want to start off really simple with an instep kick. So one of the very first kicks you should have is a core or a basic instep kick. So that's leg comes up, fires right to the groin. It's going right between the legs. So you're here, boom, just like so. Here, kick, just like that. So here I am again. Instep kick is just like that. Again, here, if I do a profile shot, here. The next kick you want to have is your front kick. It's almost identical, so they're pretty much the same. This is more like 1.5 versus a full-on 2, but leg comes up the same, but this time you pull your toes back and you hit them a little bit higher in the stomach. So I'm here, or I'm here. Remember when you're doing these kicks, the core thing is get your knee up so you can point to the target. Think of it like, you know, looking down the sight of a gun or using the scope for a bow and arrow. This dictates where my kick will go. If my knee only comes this high, when I extend my leg, it only goes so high. So make sure your knee comes up and then you fire that kick. And it's the same for the instep kick as it is for the front kick. Third kick, okay, is gonna be your round kick. So in a discussion I had with Sensei JD Josh, he was saying in traditional karate, the round kick wasn't even actually ever in there. That's more of a competitions thing. And in doing some research and looking at my own katas and stuff like that, I want to say he's right because I can't find a single kata that actually had the round kick. It's usually a crescent kick, a front kick, or a side kick. I haven't seen really any that have a round kick. If you know otherwise, go ahead and put in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. But otherwise, so we have the round kick. Again, I'm going to turn my foot so I don't hurt my knee. And I'm going to bring my knee up and then kick. Again, you point, kick. If you need help, you can use the wall to practice your kicks. Or you can just practice, but you can use a chair, you can use a wall, you can use a staff, use a cane, whatever you want. But your idea is just to be able to knee up, kick, and then knee down, okay? That's your third kick, the round kick. So instep kick, front kick, round kick. Next up is your side kick. So if I'm profiled to the camera, what I just want to do is I want to bring my leg up and then kick out. Leg up, kick out. The side kick for us is a defensive kick. So if someone's kind of crowding you, you can push them off of you. Facing you, kick, profile shot. And that's your side kick. And then the last kick that you should have, if you're new to the world of kickboxing, new to the world of karate, is a hook kick, And so that's gonna look almost like the side kick and like the round kick. I'm gonna bring my leg up and then hook it into the target. Hook it into the target, just like so. The hook kick would be my fifth most important kick for you guys to have. So instep kick, front kick, round kick, hook kick, and side kick. As a bonus kick, something you guys really should have too, is your crescent and your reverse crescent, or some people say inside and outside. So your crescent is there, which is essentially your round kick, and your front kick smashed together. The core difference here is round kick, toes are flat, and the crescent kick, toes are up. So I'm kicking like that. The reverse crescent kick, or the outside crescent kick, is there. Very similar to there. So your crescent kicks and your hook kicks, as you can see, are your round kick, your hook kick, and then your crescent kicks, all kind of fit into the same little wheelhouse. Just like your instep kick and your front kick fit in the same wheelhouse. So there you guys have it. A few core kicks everybody should have. If you need a chair, you need a wall to practice, I'm going to show everything with the wall now. Instep kick. Now front kick. And then round kick. Side kick. And hook kick. Crescent kick. And reverse crescent kick. Cool. So there you guys have it. Some core kicks that you should have if you're new to the world of karate or maybe kickboxing. You know what to do. Hit that like button if you liked the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you like the stuff you see on our channel. And last but not least, do me a favor, hit that bell icon, a ding ding, so you know when the next video is coming out. From all of us here at Martial Arts Limited, you guys stay safe, keep training. This is Coach JD, and I'm out. Oh, are you still here? All right, I'm gonna give you guys a bonus technique that all the other people probably didn't get because they left early. Let's go ahead and check out the question mark kick. So the question mark kick is gonna be a kick where you fire one kick with no intention of scoring, with the second kick having the intention of scoring. So if I fake a front kick and then I round kick, that's what's called a question mark kick, or what we would call combination kick number 5. So front to round, question mark kick, whoop, pow. So that front kick, you just fake, rotate your hip, throw that over. Kick, kick. Sometimes you might have to throw that front kick a few times to get them to buy off on it, so then their hands will drop or they'll do whatever. And then once you kind of got that buy-in, then you can switch it over. See you guys later.